Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful lacy scarf. For this scarf I'm going to use a 4-ply yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. If you want to use a different type of yarn, just use a crochet hook which is slightly bigger in size. Start with the slip knots. And the pattern is made in 6 chain repeats. So you're going to chain 6 and you keep chaining 6 until you get the width of what you want your scarf to be. I'm going to just show you like a little sample instead of making the full scarf. So I'll just chain 12, make another 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and another 6. And this is going to be my little sample, and then you have to chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch, and skip first 5 chains from your hook. Into the 6th chain we'll be making a double crochet stitch, and then chain 1, make another double crochet straight into the same stitch, another chain 1, the 3rd double crochet into the same stitch, chain 1 again, and another double crochet. So that is your first fan done, and that is going to be your pattern repeat for this row. So you skip 5 and into the 6th chain you're going to do double crochet, chain 1, then make another double crochet and another chain 1, and a 3rd one, all into the same chain stitch in the row below, and the 4th one as well, with chain 1s in between them. Then we skip another 5 chains, and again into the 6th one we will be repeating the same stitches again. So double crochet, chain 1, another double crochet, chain 1, another double crochet, chain 1, and then 1 more. And you will be doing the same all the way until the end of the round, and you should have 3 stitches left at the end of this round. When you've done your last fan and you've got your 3 stitches left, you skip 2 and make a double crochet into the last stitch, and your first row is done. Now for the second row, chain 1, turn your work and make a single crochet into the very first space between your last double crochet and the first fan. Then chain 3, double crochet in the middle of a fan, so just right in the middle, not into the chain stitch. Then make another 3 chains and single crochet in between the 2 fans, and then we will be repeating this pattern. So chain 3, double crochet at the top of the fan right in the middle between the 2 double crochet stitches, chain 3 again, and then single crochet between the 2 fans, and make that same way all the way until the end of this row, and that's your second row. When you get to the end, your last single crochet will go just after the fan, so it will be the gap between the end of the last fan stitch and the first chain, and then we're going to chain 3 and turn the work and start round 3. So round 3 we will be making the fans again, but they'll be made around this double crochet stitch. So it will be a front post double crochet around that double crochet from the previous rounds, chain 1, another front post double crochet, chain 1 again, and a third front post double crochet, chain 1, and one more. And that's how you make the fans. This is how all the fans are now made until you have finished your scarf. So next fan will be made around the next double crochet stitch, and just again front post double crochet and chain 1 until you have made 4 front post double crochets. All the fans will be made around the double crochet stitch from the round below, and they will all be using the front post double crochet, so that it will give your scarf a bit of a 3D effect when it's finished. Make that one, and then we'll do one more front post double crochet, chain 1, another front post double crochet, chain 1, another front post, chain 1, and one more, and you finish off making a double crochet stitch into that first single crochet what you made, and that's your third row done. So now we will start repeating the second row and the third row. So you chain 1, turn your work and make your single crochet into the first space, chain 3, double crochet and on top of the fan, chain 3 again, and then single crochet in between the two fans, and repeat that all the way until the end of this round. I'll show you one more row of fans. So chain 3, turn your work around, start making your fans around the double crochet stitch from the round below, and you make front post stitches and the chain stitches in between them, and each fan will have 4 front post double crochet stitches with the chains in between each post. So you'll just carry on like this until the end of the round. Keep repeating these 2 rows for as long as you want, and I will show you how to finish off the edging for your scarf. When you get to the end, finish your scarf after fan rows, and for the edging we are going to chain 5, turn your work, and we will make a single crochet in the middle of the fan, the top of the fan, then make another chain 5 and go straight on the top of the next fan, and you will repeat that all the way across. So chain 5 and go into the next fan and make a single crochet stitch. and that way your beginning of your scarf is the same. When you get to the end, you chain 2 and double crochet into the last stitch, and your scarf is finished.